Investing seems confusing, right? Stocks, portfolios, market crashes, where you even start? Well, here's something wild. If you invest just $100 a month, you could retire with over $1 million. Yet most people spend more time picking what to watch on Netflix than learning how to build real wealth. Here's the good news. You can learn 80% of what actually matters about investing in under 8 minutes. No jargon, no fluff. I helped millions improve their finances, and I'll share the simple stuff rich people have been using for decades. A lot of people think they need a ton of money to start investing, like thousands of dollars, but that's just not true, and it's keeping people poor. Here's the truth. Waiting until you have enough money is actually losing you money. While your cash sits in a savings account doing nothing, prices keep going up. That's called inflation. And your money slowly becomes worthless, like ice cream melting in the sun. Today, you can start investing with just $5. You can buy fractional shares, which means you don't need $1,000 to buy one Netflix stock. You can own a small piece of it instead. If you invest just $25 a week for 30 years and the market grows like it usually does, you would end up with $240,000. And if you kept that money in a regular savings account, you'd only have $37,000. That's a difference of $200,000. The secret? Start small and be consistent, because the habit matters more than the amount. Remember, you don't need to be rich to start investing, but you do need to start investing to become rich. Here's something wild. You don't have to be a genius to be a great investor, and you don't need to stare at charts, pick hot stocks, or pay some Wall Street pro big fees. In fact, doing less is often better. Even Warren Buffett, one of the richest investors ever, says the best way to invest is with something called an index fund. He even bet $1 million that a simple index fund would beat fancy hedge funds. And guess what? He won. So what is an index fund? Think of it like a big basket filled with tiny pieces of some of the best companies like Apple, Walmart, Amazon, Home Depot, and more. Instead of picking just one, you get them all at once. So what's so great about index funds? They have super low fees, so more of your money stays with you. And with minimal effort, you get instant diversification, even with a low investment. It's been proven that most pros can't beat these simple index funds, so why not take the easy route and win 90% of the time? Now here's the real magic: compound interest. It's like giving your money superpowers. It works like this. You earn money from your investments, then that money earns even more money, and so on. Over time, it snowballs. Check this out. Emma starts investing $100 per month at age 25, and James does the same thing starting at 35. They both invest until they turn 65. Guess what? Emma ends up with over $700,000, and James ends up with only $240,000, even though he only started 10 years later. Emma contributed just $12,000 more overall, but ended up with almost 3 times as much money. This is because Emma's earliest contributions had an extra decade to compound. That's the power of starting early. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Want to grow your money even faster? Use accounts that the government made just for that. They help you save on taxes, so you keep more of your money. Here are 3 accounts that can save you tens of thousands. A 401k is offered by many employers. You put in money before taxes are taken out, immediately lowering your taxable income. Plus, Employers often match what you contribute, which is free money. If your employer matches 50% of your contributions, that's an instant 50% return before any market growth. In a traditional IRA, your contributions are tax deductible, reducing your current tax bill, and your money grows tax-free until retirement. In a Roth IRA, you pay taxes now, but when you retire, you get to take all your money out completely tax-free. Here's an example. If Mark invests $150 per month into a Roth IRA starting at age 25, he could retire with over $1 million and not pay a cent in taxes on that. So which one should you choose? It depends on your situation. If your employer offers a 401k match, always contribute enough to get the full match first. It's literally free money. Beyond that, consider your age and tax situation. If you're young and in a lower tax bracket, prioritize a Roth IRA. If you're in peak earning years and want to reduce your current tax bill, a traditional IRA or 401k might make more sense. Remember, you don't need a lot of money. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Your money can literally make more money while you sleep, and the earlier you begin, the bigger the reward. So here's your challenge. Open an investing account this week and put in $25. That's it. Just get started. Because 10 years from now, you'll either be glad you did or wish you had. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Starting to invest is a good first step to taking control of your money. But here's the thing. While you're trying to build wealth, your bank might be quietly draining it. Watch this video to uncover how banks profit off your struggles and how you can turn the tables to keep more of what's yours.